Hello friends, this is Netrali Patil from Arihan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Bavdhan, Pune, Department of Information Technology. Today we are going to learn about positioning in CSS. What is positioning? CSS helps to position the HTML elements. The position property is used to set position for an element. The element can be positioned using the top, bottom, left and right properties. Syntax: define selector. Position is equal to value, top is equal to value, left is equal to value, bottom is equal to value and right is equal to value. The values in positions are fixed, absolute, relative and values of top, bottom, left, right are in pixels. There are different types of positioning in CSS. First one is static positioning, second one is fixed positioning, third one is relative positioning and at last absolute positioning. We will see practically what is positioning. First we will see fixed positioning. HTML head style p dot fixed position fix top is equal to 50 pixel, right 55 pixel, color blue, closing of style tag and closing of head tag. Start with body tag. P, this is paragraph 1, closing of P, second P, this is paragraph 2, closing of P, again at next paragraph, this is paragraph 3, closing of P, then P class is equal to fixed, this is the fixed position text, closing of P, closing of body tag and closing of HTML tag. In this program we define fixed positioning. What is fixed positioning? This property helps to put the text fixed on the browser. The fixed property forces an element into a fixed position relative to the browser window. The fixed element will not move even when the page is scrolled. Just save it and run on browser. See the output. In this program we define fixed position for, this is that fixed position text from top to 50 pixel, right to 5 pixel and color is equal to blue. Got it? Next we will see what is relative and absolute positioning. We will see practically. Start with HTML tag, then head, style, dot first, position, relative, top, -10 px, right, -10 pixel, h2, position, absolute, left 100 pixel, top 150 pixel, closing of style tag and closing of head tag. Start with body tag, h1 class is equal to first, this is heading 1, closing of h1, h2, this is heading 2, closing of h2, closing of body tag and closing of HTML tag. In this program we define relative position and absolute position. What is relative position? The relative positioning property is used to set the element relative to its normal position. And what is absolute positioning? This property sets an element in a specific location and it is not affected by the flow of the page. This property positions the element at the specified coordinates relative to your screen top left corner. Just save it and run on browser. See the output. This is heading 1 and h2. We define h2 position absolute from left to 100 pixel and top to 150 pixel. Okay, got it? What is the difference between fixed positioning, relative positioning and absolute positioning? Okay, so dear friends, I hope you like this session. In the next session we will go for further tags. Thank you.